Hello everybody, and today we are going to work on some puzzle cube pieces and parts, so let's get to this. All right, so once we're in Onshape here, we're going to go to Create, Document, Puzzle Cube, and there's our little puzzle cube. We're going to start doing this now. Remember, it's just a basic 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch square, but it's the assembly that's a little bit more important for this than anything else. So I'm going to come into, create a sketch on the top plane here. Let's rotate it into view. And I'm going to use a center point rectangle. Click it, and then make sure I put in 0.75 and 0.75 for those two dimensions. Pretty much that is the extent of this. Now, once I'm in here, we're going to extrude this out 0.75 inches. And hit the check mark. That is one puzzle cube. We can assign it a material. So let's go in here, assign a material. Let's see if we can find some sort of wood inside here. All right, let's go wood. And we got basswood, beech, European, birch. I think it might be birch. Let's just do birch for fun and hit the check mark for that. And then we can also right click on this and go edit appearance and give it a color. So I'm going to use a red block. So now we have a red wood block. At this point, we can create an assembly or put these together. So if I go over down on the bottom here to assembly 1, give it a second, right? We're going to insert part 1 here. And let's say I have a 5 cube or 5 part puzzle piece. So I'm going to bring these in like that, and I can click on it again and keep clicking to bring them in. And let's do one more. All right. So now those are my little puzzle cubes. Let's hit the check mark. And now we're going to use a series of constraints to put them together. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to mate these blocks together, and there's a series of mates. If we go up on top, you'll see a fastened mate and revolute and all these things. We're just going to go to a basic fastened mate. We're going to click on a part or a side of it. Notice that that little like kind of axis kind of comes in there. We'll click that. And then I can go to another one and do the same thing. And notice it brings it together, but they're on top of each other. So if I click this, it flips how they're mated, and now those blocks are good to go. We can also right click and I can fix or keep this so that it doesn't move. So now this block won't move anymore. So you see, I can drag it around. That's kind of it. So now let's continue on with these. So we're going to keep bringing these together. So I'm making a part that I just want to make. Click. Let's click here. I'm going to flip that. So now my parts come together. And I'll just continue doing this. Now you'll do this however you need to with your part. Usually you'll be clicking on the centers of these, that arrow, flipping it, and solving. So I can continue on one more time for this one. Like that. Oop. There we have it. Click that. Check. So right now, there is my assembled 5-part piece. Set that, close out, and we are good to go. So you'll continue that for all your 5 puzzle cube parts. It's pretty straightforward, and then eventually we'll take these and put them together as one other one. That is about it. We can also go in and create a new element, but I would just do a different part each time with a different color to make each different one. All right, everyone, that is about it. Hope you have a great day.